In its long evolutionary history, the beaver has perfectly adapted its mode of living to the natural environment. Its shelter, the Beaver's Lodge, is a technical masterpiece, a stable construction made of logs and branches held together with mud, but flexibly anchored to adjust to different water levels. Stable construction, flexible, high load-bearing, with metal and plastic components. Just one of many products from TB&C Outsert Center. Innovative technical processes are often modeled on nature. The forms and functions of elements produced by outsert molding are virtually unlimited, as are their possible applications in precision equipment. Outsert molding unites in one process bending and punching of metal base plates with injection molding of functional elements from engineering plastics. All moving parts are attached to the metal base plate in one shot. The specialist and market leader in outsert molding, the TB&C Outsert Center, has been established in the Hessian town of Herborn for many years. Thanks to high-precision molds, the production process is amazingly simple. Punching the metal plate and, if necessary, upturning the edge to provide a reinforcing tab are carried out in one operation. In a second phase of the process, the base plates are then fed to an automatic injection molding machine. Removal, transport, alignment, mold closure and injection. The real manufacturing process necessarily takes place unseen. Immediately after mold closure, the filling operation commences. Our long-standing know-how around this patented process guarantees optimum parameters for uniform flow of the engineering plastics used. Mold filling only takes 0.8 seconds and sounds like a gunshot. Besides the highly integrated production process, complex functionality of the elements and high precision and reproducibility of the assemblies, outsert technology also offers unbeatable cost advantages. Compared with conventional assembly and the associated logistics required, a cost saving of up to 70% can be achieved, with at least the same, if not usually, higher quality. For example, take this lens holder element for a back projection television. It was originally made in 4 parts from pressure die-cast magnesium and finished with a 5-axis milling cutter. Now the same element is produced by outsert molding as a single part, made from steel and LCP plastic with no finishing required, cost saving 40%. Or this assembly for a feeder. In conventional manufacture, 36 parts to be assembled. In outsert molding technology, only 5 components. That means an 86% saving in parts and 45% cost saving. And this assembly is for use in pick-and-place machines, where it has to operate long-term with very high precision under severe stress. From simple holder elements to highly complex functional groups in sandwich construction, outsert molding technology can meet any challenge. In addition to automated quality control, test specimens are taken from every production run at regular intervals and analyzed against various criteria in a conditioned test room. The quality management system of the TB&C Outsert Center is also certified under ISO 16949. But our strength does not just lie in the reliable low-cost production of functional units. We integrate all processes from design, mold construction and prototype manufacture to serial production into an efficient workflow. And what is more, we can help you create your product, if you wish. Make use of our experience in product discovery. We call this intelligent co-design. For our designers, it's always a challenge to optimize existing components to fully exploit the advantages of outsert molding technology. In this case, you can see the pump element of an automatic infusion machine. In other words, a high-precision medical device that must function with 100% reliability day in, day out in hospitals and clinics to ensure that therapeutic measures are effective or, in some cases, quite simply so that life can be saved. When developing the product concept in partnership with customers, we discuss not only the technical specifications of the component, but also lines of communication and the integration of future processes. Here, questions of relevant data transfer are just as important as scheduling and decision-making channels. In this way, we establish the basis for customer-oriented co-design, in which the customers at their company sites are involved in all stages of the development process and so are guaranteed continual information exchange. In certain cases, the design features impose special demands. A double-edged chassis with outsert molded applications in 3 planes. The functional element has to be produced in the same one-shot process as in all other assemblies. Development is the most time-consuming phase in the product origination process, until finally the design data is passed to the mold-making department for production of the first prototypes. This is where all the operations for producing the punching dies, injection molds, are carried out. After design improvements and further modifications, the master standard of the pump element is completed. Then the test runs and preparation of the design freeze start. In other words, the definitive specification of the product design. After design and production of the serial molds, the routine of serial production then follows. A routine in which all the care and attention of in-process quality checks form an integral part. In this way, the pump element and other outsert molded parts become integral components of a medical technology that fulfills its function reliably in both fixed and mobile use. TB&C Outsert Center, your innovative and inventive partner in the development and production of multifunctional components for short and large-scale production runs. 35 million components produced annually. Punches from 2,000 to 2,500 kilonewtons. Injection molding machines from 350 to 3,200 kilonewtons. 25 employees in co-design, design and mold making. 105 employees in production, quality management and administration. And we have the resources for constant innovation. Outsert molding technology, the cost-efficient solution wherever precision, safety and long service life are required, but also where life is simply about having fun. And where there's no outsert molding today, it will certainly be found tomorrow.